Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, let me show you. It's the Wednesday newspaper, March the 29th, almost end of the month. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and the first one I've already solved. It's a binary puzzle. Second one is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And this regular puzzle number 2 is the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 6192. Oh, apologies. Again, troubles with my tripod. 6192. News of today. Well, tomorrow it will be war day number 400, but today 399. Yeah, the war started 399 days ago in Ukraine, and everything has been changed. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of those puzzles I will do in the evening, but first let me continue with this one. This one has, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. The one in this column, the one in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the one should be here, or there. We see one in this row, no one there. Here one in that row, so no one there. So the only place left for the one should be there. Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here the 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. Alright, the 5 in this row, the 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. The 5 in the first row, the 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. About the 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Well, cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. Alright. How about 9, 4, 6. I'm thinking. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column, in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. Alright. Uh-huh. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. 7. How about the number 4. 4. Well, will be difficult. 9. Yeah. 3. Come on. 6. 9, 6. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4. 8. 4. 2. Ooh, I'm stuck. Now I'm stuck. Give me 1 minute, and then I will play some numbers. 2, 8, 3, 5, and 1. 2, 2. Come on. No 2 here. 2. Well, yeah, let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So there will be 3 in the middle row. There are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, there are only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Overlooked. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see how 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. 8. 4. 1, 2, 3. 2. 9, 7. 297. 7. Alright. Come on. 2, 4. 9, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in third column, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there. Alright. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9 there, 9 here, and 9 there. That means in this column, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this big square. So here can be a 9 in those two boxes. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this big square, yeah. Alright, that means in this column, the 9 could be here or there. Well, I see another 9 in this row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. Oh, right. So I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6, 6. No 6 here. 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair in this column. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So now we have 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Alright, I marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 supposed to be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here in the second row, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. Can I count? Yes. No. Yeah. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 supposed to be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so it will be 3. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then. 3, 3. Okay. 1 box left in this middle column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. Then 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. No. Cannot fill this yet. How about 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. 4. So with 8, 2, 4. Cannot fill this yet. Cannot fill this yet. About the 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, no, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Wait, can I count the 7s? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. 8. Interesting. The 4 in the first column, the 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in the first column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. We have 2 in the first column, the 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars. I like this one. Yes, so we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.